Hello and welcome to another episode of Millennial Economics. We are going to talk a little bit about cryptocurrency, a little bit about Dogecoin, and a little bit about Mr. Elon Musk and Tesla. So let's get right into it. All right, so if you are at all interested in cryptocurrency, in Tesla and Elon Musk, or just general financial news, you may have heard on Friday that Mr. Elon Musk himself sent a tweet out saying that Dogecoin would be accepted on Tesla's website for any Tesla merch. This is super cool. This is super exciting. Number one, we're starting to see these uses for cryptocurrencies increase, which is always fun. And number two, it's just kind of excited if you're an investor in Dogecoin, an investor in cryptocurrency. These sorts of pop culture things or things that happen in the news can greatly affect the value of the cryptocurrencies that you may have a stake in. So number one, I really wanted to just talk about what this means for Dogecoin and Tesla. Number two, I wanted to discuss what lessons we can take from things like this happening and how we can use this knowledge for our investing strategies in the future. To start, what this means for Tesla and Tesla merch and how you can use your Dogecoin. Right now, if you go to the Tesla website, you will be able to see a new payment option for any of the merch that they have on the website. This does not mean that you can now buy a Tesla vehicle with Dogecoin, unfortunately, and maybe that'll come soon. But what this means is that any of the merch they have, so any of the mugs, I believe any of the t-shirts, you're going to be able to pay for in Dogecoin. So that's live right now. I'd suggest you go now, take a look at it, see how it works. What can we essentially take from this and use for our investing strategy in the future? What this means is, like I've talked about before, with cryptocurrencies, things are very volatile, and news that comes out greatly affects the cryptocurrency markets. For instance, Elon Musk tweets about Dogecoin and being able to accept it on the or pay for merch on the Tesla website. Dogecoin increases by 10 to 20%. That fast, okay? We see this a lot with other types of cryptocurrencies. Something comes out on the news about Bitcoin mining being not maybe great for the environment. Bitcoin goes down in value significantly, right? It's a very different world that we find ourselves investing in when it comes to cryptocurrency. So what does this mean? Well, it means that for some of the smaller coins, in my opinion, the way to be successful is to have money in them before we see these sorts of things happen in the news or in pop culture, right? A long time ago, before Dogecoin really ran up and Elon Musk really started tweeting about it, if you would have had money invested in it, you would have seen significant gains. Where people really get in trouble is they see these things on the news, they try to hop on the bandwagon a little bit too late, and then they end up losing money. So what I have done in my personal investing strategy is I have invested smaller amounts of money into many different cryptocurrencies, okay? My largest holdings are Bitcoin and Ethereum, but I like to throw $50 here, $100 here, sometimes even in things that I may not even know fully or may not have heard about when it comes to the news or a lot of it in circulation. But what I'm banking on is that these sorts of things are going to continue to happen, and I will have an early stake in some of these coins, and I will see tremendous gains. So again, cryptocurrency is a strange market. It's not a great investment for everybody. For me, it's a very small portion of what I do invest, but it can be kind of fun. So I hope you found this helpful. If you like this sort of content, like the video. Would love to hear if you reaped any reward from the recent increase in Dogecoin. And if you like this channel, whether we're talking about cryptocurrency or personal finance, I would love it if you subscribed. So we'll talk to you very soon. Thank you.